Is Redex DPF Cleaner legit or just another overhyped car product? Let's find out. Redex is a well-known brand in fuel additives, and their DPF Cleaner claims to unclog diesel particulate filters, reduce emissions, and restore engine performance, all by simply adding it to your fuel tank. Many users report positive results, especially for mild DPF issues. Some say the warning light cleared after use, and there was improved engine responsiveness. However, for severely blocked or damaged DPFs, this cleaner likely won't fix the problem completely. Priced around $15 to $20 per bottle, it's affordable as a preventive maintenance tool. While it won't replace professional servicing or regeneration, it can help maintain a healthy DPF when used regularly. If you're dealing with early signs of DPF buildup, Redex DPF Cleaner may be worth trying as part of routine maintenance. If this review helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.